welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be stuffing both of my sinking fund binders. I am super excited to be stuffing my sinking funds today, and today you guys, we are going to be stuffing a total of $2,152. That is what we're going to be stuffing today in my sinking fund binders total. So before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you guys will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. And guys, please do me a favor, if you all enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate if you guys can go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, share this video, and also leave me some comments down in the comment section letting me know what your sinking fund categories are. With that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so I have my cash here, and again we are going to be stuffing $2,152. I have both of my sinking fund binders, and then I also have this envelope right here. This is for my birthday. This is where I put my 100 bills so that I don't have just a bunch of 100 bills in my envelope. So that is what this binder is for. And then I also have my cash breakdown right here. That's one of my lovely subscribers sent me. Her name is Carla, and the name of her, she has an Etsy shop. The name of her Etsy shop is KM Shops Designs. I will have her Etsy shop linked down in the description box below. So once again, thank you so much, Carla, for sending me this, because I really did need a cash breakdown. All I was doing before she sent me this was just writing down what I needed from the bank, and I would just give it to my husband to take to the bank, and I would do that every time I needed to withdraw some money. But she was so kind enough to randomly send me this along with some cash tracker sheets. So thank you so much, Carla. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So the very first binder we are going to be stuffing is going to be the gold and white binder. So if you guys have not watched my sinking fund video for the end of February, and on that video I calculated how much I saved in sinking funds total. So if you guys have not watched that video, make sure that you go ahead and check that video out. So the first envelope we are going to be stuffing is going to be birthday. And so you guys, the only thing that I'm going to be doing today is just stuffing the envelopes. I'm not going to be counting them, because I do do a monthly, at the end of the month, update on how much I saved for the month with my sinking funds. So I will have that video up towards the end of March, so stick around for that video. So today I'm just going to be stuffing everything. And so the first envelope is birthday, and birthday today is going to be getting stuffed with $1,250. So we have my 100s here. We're going to go ahead and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 1,250. And so I'm going to grab 2 20s and a 10. And so let's just go ahead and double count this, you guys, just to make sure we have 12 50s. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,220, 1,240, 1,250. So what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to go ahead and take away $1,000 from this. So 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to go ahead and take away this 1,000, and then I'm going to go ahead and stuff this in my birthday envelope right here. It has birthday on it. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff this inside of my birthday envelope. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put a new 1K slip in there. That way I don't have to have all of my $100 bills stuffed in here. And then we're just going to go ahead and stuff the rest, which is $250. So we're going to go ahead and stuff this. And then I was going to fill out these right now, but I'm actually going to fill out my cash tracker cards at the end of the video. I'm just going to write the date and how much I deposited. And then, of course, at the end of the month, I will put what the total amount is in here. So I will do that one off camera. And then so next up we do have Christmas, and today Christmas is going to be getting stuffed with $167. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, and 67. So 167 for Christmas. And then next up we have homeschool. So today homeschool is going to be getting stuffed with $50. And I think I used some money from homeschool. Okay. So yes. So homeschool should be at $200. So let's see if this is $200. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. And then I did make a purchase for Amazon, and that was in February, but I never took out the $57. So let me go ahead and take that out, you guys. So let me go ahead and take out 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, and 57. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out $57 and set that to the side. We're gonna set that $57 to the side, and so now we have 120, 140, 1, 2, and 3. So now we have $143. So let me just go ahead and fill this out. So today is what? Today is March 3rd. And then I took away this $57, and this brought it to $143. 143, and then today is the 3rd. March 3rd, and then okay, so yeah, I'll fill the rest of this out off cameras, but I never got the chance to take that $57 out, you guys, so I just wanted to go ahead and do that. And so now we are left with $43 in homeschool. And so today homeschool is going to be getting stuffed with 50. So we have 20, 40, and 50. And then next up we have YouTube. YouTube is going to be getting stuffed with 50 as well. And then I believe for YouTube I also purchased something. Yes, so YouTube should be at 200, and then I made an Amazon deposit of $34, but I never took the $34 out. So let me go ahead and do that right now. So 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And I'm going to set that to the side. And with the money that I'm sitting to the side, you guys, that money is just going to go into the bank. So let me go ahead and I will fill out the rest of this off camera. So I took out the $34 for YouTube, and then YouTube is going to be getting stuffed with $50 today. So we have 20, 40, and 50 for YouTube. And then for giveaway today is going to be getting stuffed with 60. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 3 20s. So 20, 40, and 60. And then we have car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to be getting $100. So I'm just going to grab this $100 bill for car maintenance. And then we have car registration. Car registration is going to be getting $50 today. So 20, 40, and 50. And then we have YouTube taxes, and YouTube taxes is going to be getting $50 as well. So we have 20, 40, and 50. And then we have cell phone. So my cell phone is going to be getting stuffed with $125. And my cell phone bill is actually due next month. So I am going to take this balance should be at $500 or a little bit over $500. And I'm going to take that $500 and pay up my phone bill for an entire year. That will cover me for a year. So we're going to go ahead and get 100, 20, and 5. So 125 total for my cell phone bill. And so that is everything that we have in this binder. So now we're going to go ahead and move on over to my second binder. And with this one right here, we are going to be starting with Shania, which is my daughter. Today, Shania's envelope is going to be getting stuffed with $25. So we have a 20 and a 5. My son's envelope, Qantas Jr., is going to be getting stuffed with 25. So we have 25. Mommy, which is myself, I am going to be getting 25. So 20 and 5. And then for Daddy, which is my husband is going to be getting 25 as well. So 20 and 5. And then lastly, we have Vacation. And Vacation is going to be getting stuffed with 150. So let's go ahead and see for the rest of this. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 140, and 150. So 150 is going into Vacation. So that is the end of my sinking funds video, you guys. I absolutely love recording these videos. Like, I just love it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, because I really appreciate it, you guys. And I just want to take out the time to say thank you to those of you who like my video, share my video, and I really appreciate those of you who comment on my videos, because that really helps out my channel. Because when I get the likes and I get the comments, that lets YouTube know that you guys are appreciative and you guys are liking the type of content that I am putting out on my channel. Lately, YouTube has been a little funny with recommending my videos. So if you guys wouldn't mind liking this video and just leaving me some comments, I don't care what you leave, I will most definitely respond back. If you guys would do that, I would greatly appreciate it. So that is going to be it, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your day or whenever you are watching. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.